Made to last durability, StockPot has been constructed from durable steel with an easy cleaning cream-colored enamel interior. Cook in color. The colorful StockPot enamel on steel exterior is stain-resistant, and the sturdy steel loop handles provide solid support. Heavy-duty rims. The rolled stainless steel StockPot rim helps protect against dents and dings, keeping your StockPot intact for years of cooking enjoyment. Lock in the heat. The lid included with StockPot fits snugly on pot to lock in heat and moisture during the cooking process. High-heat StockPot. This StockPot is oven-safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for stove-to-oven recipes. Stocks are up and at 'em, and so are jumbo-sized batches of stews, soups and other delicious foods, with the sturdy, colorful Farberware enamel on steel 16-quart StockPot with lid. On the interior, cream-colored enamel provides a timeless kitchen look and a cooking surface that cleans easily even with browned bits and long-simmered stocks and broths. The colorful enamel exterior is also stain-resistant and easy to clean, so your StockPot will continue to look new through the years. Generous loop handles integrated into the construction make it easy to move the big StockPot between kitchen stations, even when full. For a final practical and great-looking touch, the rolled stainless steel rim helps to protect the pot's edge against dents and dings. The colorful domed lid seals in heat and moisture. Stock up with everyday ease, making soups, stews, stocks and more easy to clean and easy to appreciate. Farberware enamel on steel 16-quart StockPot with lid. Top reviews from the United States. Great pot for making preserves. I read the reviews and had mixed feelings about purchasing this pot, but I needed something to cook preserves in that wouldn't let the preserves boil over. I had read the review that stated the enamel had come off, and that was what gave me the most concern about purchasing it. The third time I used it, I thought the enamel had come off the bottom, a piece about the size of a nickel. Upon a closer look, it turned out the spot was actually burnt preserves, and I was able to clean it with the magic sponge. This is a great pot, and I love how deep it is so the preserves don't boil over and they don't splatter and burn my hands while stirring.